If you're excited about Claude and you're an insurance broker, this video is for you, especially on the commercial side. I'm going to show you a demonstration of a Claude recipe that I built that I can send to you for free that does lead research. So here you can see justinbettman.com. He is a wonderful commercial photographer. And let's say that he came to me and wanted to get workers' comp insurance for his sets, right? So I can say justinbettman.com wants insurance. What should I offer him? And you'll see that Claude is going to do all the research for me and then prepare a document as well. So you can see it's running this skill called lead prep. A skill is like a recipe. That's what I can share with you. If you want it, send me an email, ben@bencanhelp.com. You can see it's making a checklist for itself. So it's going to research justinbettman.com. It's going to search for reviews and additional business details. Then it'll analyze the risk exposures for us, generate a Word doc for us with a lead prep script, and then it'll deliver the final file and summary to me. So let's start the timer and see how long this takes. While it's going, I will explain to you exactly what a Claude skill is. A Claude skill is literally a set of instructions that Claude takes and triggers when you give it a particular phrase. Think of it like a binder full of standard operating procedures for your team member or someone that you trained, and then they know when you say, hey, I need to prep for this meeting with the lead, they know to go do research, give you a prep document, analyze the business exposures, things like that. So we can see it's already done the first two pieces in less than 30 seconds. Now it's analyzing the risk exposures, and then it's going to generate the Word document for us. So what's nice about this recipe is that it's the same over and over again. And in Claude Cowork, I could do the same thing while the other chat is loading in another chat. So I can say lemonbarbakery.com wants insurance. That's all I have to say to trigger it. You'll see it's going to load that same skill. It's going to know in the context of my chat that it should load the lead prep skill. Boom. And it's going to come up with a SOP for itself again, right? So the standard operating procedure, research Lemon Bar Bakery, analyze the exposures, generate the Word doc, and deliver the file to me. So let's take a look and see how this is going. We're going to go to my recent tasks, active. Okay. There's Lemon Bar. Here's Justin Bettman's file. It says I have the full picture. Let me build the document. So time-wise, where are we? We're at 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds. And I could have walked away from my computer while I was doing this. Okay, so it's telling me about Justin. He's a high-end advertising photographer and director based in Los Angeles. He's represented by an agency in New York. I know this all to be true. And then if I click on this document, it created a Word doc for me that I can share with Justin or use during our first meeting. And this has everything to keep me ready for the meeting. So business owner, the location, the phone number, his website, his hours, the industry. Then we also have top lines of business. So workers' comp. Then we have inland marine, general liability. Then as you can see, as we go down, we have his key services, the risk profiles and exposures. We have high value equipment, inland marine, the details and the notes. It created this 4-page document for me and then puts at the bottom the questions for the first call. Like, do you currently have any commercial insurance? When does your current coverage renew if you have any? Have you had any claims in the past 3 years? Equipment loss, client disputes, on-set incidents. This isn't just cookie cutter questions. These are questions specific to this client for his profession, which is commercial photography. Now we can look at the bakery as well. It's doing the research. If we click on the progress, it's now going to generate the Word document. I've now done research on 2 prospective clients. I think we might get there in less than 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes for sure, maybe less than 3 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's delivering the file. Yes, 3 minutes. Look at that. We have prepared for 2 different clients in 3 minutes using this Claude skill. So if you want it, send me an email, ben@bencanhelp.com, and check this out. We have the business name. We have the owners. We found that info online. Their phone number, their website, their store hours. They're a retail bakery. Workers' comp, GL. Business owner's policy. We have product liability and food safety. Premises slip and fall. Off premises because they do catering. They are going to need hired and non-owned auto because they deliver. And then it gives us a rating, priority, required, essential, etc. So this is how you can actually use Claude in your insurance business. Research your leads just by asking it to do lead prep for you. And that's it. If you have questions about this, book a free time with me, bencanhelp.com. You get 30 minutes on my calendar, free of charge. Happy to walk you through how to use Claude, how to think about AI, and how to be smarter in your brokerage. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much. Peace.